I don't think y'all understand how amazing and just exciting this is to me. Now, sure, I don't have these super big crops or things like that, but I have things that I come out to my garden, I cut it, put it in a bowl, wash it, and put it right in on my dinner plate. It's amazing. It's fun. I was really coming out here just to grab some quick stuff. I can't even talk. I'm so excited. I was really coming out here to grab some quick stuff. I got my broccoli leaves, my cilantro, and I'm gonna get some onions to put in my dinner tonight. But it's such a wonderful feeling to know that that grew, and all I had to do was nurture it. All I had to do was nurture it, give it the right environment, and free food. Like really, got all this good stuff and I just get to eat it. It's free 99. I'm so excited. I'm super excited. I got my onions right here, going straight into dinner. Oh my goodness. My onions. And look, I know we got some hungry things out there. They can have it, whatever. We all got free food. But yeah, I got all these onions. I actually know that when you cut their leaves like that, it just makes the bulbs grow stronger. Like, how can this not get you hype? How can this not get you excited? This is gonna be more than enough. Just me eating tonight. Man. Man, I wonder what it's going to feel like when I'm able to get that bigger project started on how I'm talking about feeding many people, many people. I wonder what it's going to feel like when we start feeding families, multiple families, hundreds, thousands, millions. Man, hey, I appreciate you for your support. More to come.